If your products contain fats or oils, now is the time to consider non-GMO sunflower oil, a premium oil that comes in mid-oleic, high-oleic, and organic formats. USA sunflower oil has several functional benefits. It is a superior fry oil with a high smoke point, making it ideal for foods that are deep fried or for savory snacks that are cooked in oil. Research shows that sunflower oil has a longer fry life than many other oils, including high-oleic canola and new oils such as high-oleic soybean oil. Neal Brothers Foods creates better-for-you snack options that use quality natural and organic ingredients.
Many of our snack foods contain sunflower oil since it provides a great, clean, and light taste. It is also very stable at the high temperature needed for cooking our kettle chips and popcorn.
Sunflower oil is very high in monounsaturated fat, and as a result, it has greater stability than many other oils. This helps give popular foods like protein bars, non-dairy beverages, or plant-based foods a longer shelf life. Soul Cuisine is a leading food manufacturer of premium frozen and refrigerated plant-based foods.
We have been using non-GMO sunflower oil for several years in our vegetarian burgers and entrees. Sunflower oil provides an excellent shelf life, and it also assists in creating the proper texture and flavor for our products.
Since taste is the #1 factor for your customers, if you are looking for an oil that does not overpower the flavor of other ingredients, then sunflower oil is an excellent choice.
At Giraffe Foods, we create sauces, dressings, and condiments for our food service and retail customers. One of the things that our customers like about sunflower oil is the light, neutral taste. This allows the true flavor from the other ingredients in the products to come through.
In addition to many positive functional benefits, sunflower oil has several health benefits, making it an ideal choice for gluten-free and other free-from products. It is an excellent source of vitamin E, and research shows that sunflower oil is good for heart health. Sunflower oil is also kosher and halal certified. So, whether you are formulating a new snack food product, or a specialty food product, or mealtime and food service foods, there is plenty of sunflower oil available to help you with all your product formulation needs. If you are curious about how sunflower oil will perform in your products, visit the National Sunflower Association at sunflowernsa.com.